Part 4 of DNA databases. So I want to kind of go back to my first video. And in my first video, I talked about the two different functions of these online DNA databases / sites. One of the functions is what we talked about. People can upload their DNA and compare it to all the other DNA users of that database. The other function is the tree building, and a lot of these sites have, tools for building your family tree. They help you search public records like birth certificates, death certificates, all of those public records. They help you search them. So that's sort of the other thing that these online databases do. And the reason I want to move over and talk about that function now is because when you're talking about investigative genetic genealogy, even if your direct DNA profile is not being compared with the DNA profile of the unidentified remains, you could still end up in the tree that an investigative genetic genealogist is building. And how that would happen is that one of your relatives did upload their DNA to one of the databases that allow law enforcement to upload, DNA to. And if that happened, then when the investigative genetic genealogist goes to start building the tree based on these relatives, then public records might bring you up as their father or their sibling or their cousin, and then you might end up in the tree. Now, these trees are huge. Sometimes, 10,000 people in the tree. So, it's huge, and it's not like there's only 3 or 4 people in the tree. So I just wanted to give you that sort of information. And if you have any questions or confusion about that, please put it in the comments, because I know that can be a little confusing. It's just important to remember there's 2 different functions of databases, and they both kind of function differently with investigative genetic genealogy. Thank you.